Hola amigos y amigas. My name is Shransh Goswami and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn los numeros or numbers in Spanish from 1 to 10. My mother will be teaching you today.
Hola. So today we are going to learn numbers from 1 to 10 in Spanish. In Spanish, numbers are called los numeros. So starting with number 1, that is uno. How many ball you can see? 1. That is uno. 2, that is dos. There are uno, dos. 2 balls. 3, this is called tres. You can see uno, dos, tres. So 3 balls. 4, cuatro. Cuatro. That means 4. How many balls you can see? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. 5, cinco. So there are 5 balls. That is uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. 6, seis. Seis. So how many balls? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis. 7, siete. So how many balls you can see? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete. Number 8 is called ocho. Ocho. Now let's see. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho means 8. Now let's come to number 9. We call it as nueve. So let's check. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve. So there are 9 balls. Now number 10, that is 10. So how many balls are there? Let's start. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, 10. So from 1 to 10 we have already learned. So we will start again. That is 1, uno, 2, dos, 3, tres, 4, cuatro, 5, cinco, 6, seis, 7, siete, 8, ocho, 9, nueve, 10, 10. Thank you.